Hello there. From the intro, you see that we are going to make this project, this proximity sensor all over. We are going to make this. This is the ultrasonic sound sensor using ESP32 and LEDs and buzzers. And this is a part of the robotics course I started in this channel, the second video. We are going to make amazing projects in this course. So let's start this proximity sensor video right now. So to start this proximity detection project, we need these components. This is HCSRO4, the ultrasonic sound sensor, ESP32, buzzer, a blue and red LED with 220 ohms resistors, and a few jumper wires. So the circuit diagram of the project is given in the screen. So you have to make the circuit based on the given diagram. But a few things to check in the LEDs. In the LEDs, you will see one larger terminal and one shorter terminal. So the larger terminal is the anode and the shorter terminal is the cathode. So you have to connect this resistor with the larger terminal or the anode, and just connect the ESP32 pin out with the resistor and then the LED to the ground. And then you have in the buzzer also the same. The larger terminal is the positive one and the smaller one is the negative. So connect with the GPIO out with the positive one and the ground to the negative, ground to the ground of the ESP32. So let's make the diagram in 3, 2, 1, start. Okay, you can see the coding is completed and I have connected the USB and the code was pre-uploaded in the microcontroller. So you can see the blue LED is activated because there is no object in the 20 centimeter. But when I put my hand there, you can see the red LED activated and the buzzer, meaning the 20 centimeter distance is crossed by an object like my hand. So let's start with the coding part. In the platform.io, you select open and create a new project. Name this anything you want. I'm naming ESP underscore ultrasonic sonic sensor, and naming this ESP32 the development module for an Arduino, selecting the same location and OK. And then trust the folder. In the folder, you can see ultrasonic sensor. In the SRC, go to the main.cpp. This is where you are going to write your codes. But before that, go to the platform.io and name the monitor speed to 115200. Okay, after that, go to the main.cpp. We are going to take the help of the AI. So for this, just remove everything. Write a comment that making a project with ESP32 and ultrasonic sound sensor where LED red and blue is used with buzzer to indicate the distance measured by ultrasonic sound sensor, and then add another comment. If distance smaller than 20 centimeter, red and buzzer will be activated. If not greater than 20 centimeter, add the centimeter dimension unit. So centimeter. Okay, everything is done. Now the AI will get the information about what you are making. So then the definition of the pins, and then the red LED, the blue LED, the buzzer. Okay, now just change the pin number based on how you wear the ESP32 with the sensors. So I'm changing this. Okay, I named everything based on how I wear this, and in the setup you see the suggestion, the serial monitor to monitor everything, the pin modes, the TRIG is output and ECHO pin is the input, and the LEDs and the buzzer all are going to be output. And then we need to write the loop. In the while loop, you can see the whole thing is suggested by the AI, and we are going to see what's happening here. So in the digital right, everything is working based on how we wrote these comments. So in the loop, we can see duration and distance, and the digital write trig pin is initially low and taking microseconds of delay, and then the digital write trig pin is high, meaning trig pin is sending frequencies of 10 microseconds, bursting out its frequency, and then the digital write pin to low. And in the echo pin, we are just receiving the echo or be using this echo pin and checking the duration. So in the duration is the duration of sending the echoes and coming back. So that's why the distance is divided. And this is 0.043 is the speed of the sound. The measurement is centimeters and the second is microsecond. So that's why this is this measurement. And next we are out sending this output in the serial monitor to check the output. And then the if else condition, if distance is smaller than 20 centimeter, the red pin will be high and the blue will be low. And the buzzer tone is set up. And then a no tone of the buzzer, digital write, red pin will be low and the green pin will be high, meaning the green will be activated and having a point half seconds of delay. So let's just upload this, make a build, everything build, and then upload. Okay, upload it. Now check in the serial monitor. You will have a serial monitor tab in here in the tab section of the bottom. If you don't, just go to the extension and search serial monitor. And you'll have this. If you don't have this downloaded, just download this and you'll have this tab. And in the tab, the USB port number, and then start monitoring. Okay, so you can see the distance is measured. Here you can see the distance in centimeters. I'm using my hand, rotating my hand. So after the code being uploaded, you can see the project working. The blue LED is activated. I put hand again. You can see the buzzer buzzing and the red LED is activated and the blue deactivated. My hand just detected by this ultrasonic sound sensor, and this is how it works. So I think you liked making this project in this course of this video. So in the next video, we are going to learn how to control motors using motor controller and write logic for that control. So thanks for watching this video and stay tuned with this channel and this course.